Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your account access and subscription so you can reach all features. Next, enter clear target keywords and select locations and demographics. This tells the tool what to look for and why it matters. Once done, pick a date range and the ad platforms to scan so results match your campaign window. Make sure to save this initial query as a template. It speeds repeat searches and keeps your criteria consistent. Now you dig into filters and analysis. Apply negative keywords and tighten audience segments to cut noise. Use engagement, impressions, and spend metrics to rank ads because numbers reveal what actually performed. Once ranked, inspect creatives, landing pages, and ad copy to learn persuasive elements and conversion tactics. Make notes of repeating patterns and tag promising ads for export. This creates a shortlist you can test. Finally, export raw data to CSV for deeper analysis or sharing. You finish by turning shortlisted ad ideas into /B tests and building variations that isolate one element at a time so you learn cause and effect. Then launch tests and monitor performance regularly for 3 to 14 days, making bid and audience tweaks based on early signals. If metrics look off or ads are missing, rerun queries, clear your tool cache, and verify platform permissions. This fixes most sync issues. Keep one troubleshooting tip. Check date range and platform filters first when results seem
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.